Hey everyone, it's Billy. I'm thrilled to talk about something that's added extra excitement to our swag shop lately. Let's jump right into it. From clever tech gadgets to eco-conscious products, our swag shop offers something for everyone. We keep the shop fresh with over 100 new items each week, ensuring you're always up to date with the latest products. Now, on to our newest addition to our swag collection: customizable pet gear. Lately, we've rolled out a fantastic range of customizable pet products, ready for you to explore and personalize. Simply navigate to our swags shop and search for pet items. You'll find comfy beds, stylish accessories, and toys that could entertain even the pickiest pet. You also have an option to choose the color and logo, which will be printed on the product. Head over to our swag shop today and give your furry companion the ultimate personalized treatment. Don't forget to share your creations with us. We can't wait to see how you and your pets rock our customizable gear. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, keep spreading those positively amazing vibes.